you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. I slept in till 12 today. Oh my god, it was amazing. I'm so excited. I'm finally done exams so I can start enjoying Christmas 2 days before it's actually Christmas. What's up with that, Western? Why do we start exams or end exams so late? But so right now I'm needing to start putting away our Christmas decorations. So what I'm actually gonna do is show you guys our Christmas decorations in our house first, and then I'm gonna put them away. So get ready for a Christmas house tour. Wow, I am having a bad reaction. That's not fun. But alright you guys, I've been literally packing the whole day today and I'm slowly getting there. If you guys want to see, my closet is like finally empty. That's so weird. I'm leaving like a few things because my sublet said it was okay if I left a few things because she doesn't need the whole closet. But if you guys can tell, like this closet is huge and I fill it up very easily, but I still have to vacuum everything and put away a few other things, but I'm almost there. I'm like so close, but yeah, I need to finish that. And then Simpson's been here chilling. And then but yeah, so I need to finish this and also like put like polysporin cream on this. I don't know. Not a fun time. So then I need to like vacuum my room still and then clean some dishes. So today's like still gonna be a very long night, but yeah, I thought I'd update you guys because I'm sorry, this is like really bothering me, so please just ignore that. But today's literally just been like me packing and everything because I need to pack everything with me and only leave like a few things for my sublet since I can't leave anything really here since I'm going to the Netherlands. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I'm not doing something other than cleaning and packing. like pretty much done with my room and cleaning and everything. I just need to get rid of my bedding, but that'll be like tomorrow after I go to bed. So now since I'm gonna watch Superbad, because I know it's crazy, but I've never actually watched it. I don't know why, but I know it's always so funny, so we're gonna watch that tonight and then go to bed. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys after and let you guys know my review of it. But today's like literally been, again, just a cleaning day, so sorry about that. But tomorrow I'm so excited because I'm finally going home, and then I'm going out already tomorrow night because you know, the girl's back in Toronto, I'm a free woman, so I gotta go out. So I'll see you guys after the movie and let you guys know how I like it. It's actually kind of shameful that I haven't watched it yet. Alright, you guys, I have to stop doing this. This is weird, but we just finished well, that's not the right movie, Superbad, and it was so funny. I literally can't believe I have not watched it until today, but I give it a 10 out of 10 rating. And sorry, it was like so dark the whole movie, and I'm so tired, and now I turn all the lights on and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look crazy. But it was 10 out of 10, great movie. Really mad at myself that I haven't watched it before, but I really like it. But I'm gonna end off today's vlog. I'm sorry if it was a bit short. Yesterday's vlog actually did not end up being short, but I didn't really vlog much today because I showed a bit of time lapse of me cleaning and packing, but there's only so much I'm gonna show you guys because I'm also just like trying to get it done, because packing is never fun. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!